I'm Eddie Putera. I'm 58 years old. I call myself a visual creator. I like to create visuals. I draw, I paint, I do a lot of things that leads to the visual creativity. Bagi saya, rakyat merdeka, jiwa pereka adalah. Merdeka is bebas, pereka is great. So if you join the phrase together, is the ability to freely create. What you create is excellence. Okay. Whatever we do, whatever field you are in, we need to be free to create excellence. I'm a sucker for the history of architecture in our country. So I'm archiving all this architectural progress in our society with my miniatures so that we have a historical archive for all these things. To the budding artists out there, the main thing is not to deny technology. To me, whatever tools that humans create to assist in whatever thing that you need to do in life, you must take it. I have this dream of creating a miniature where you walk through the progress of the country. From the beginning, like Kuala Lumpur, we start from this meeting of two rivers with nothing. Yeah, it's a place where the first commerce started. You walk through my creation, and you can understand all historical build-up of Kuala Lumpur. Yes, that's what I wish to do.